Learn how to turn off auto-renewal for your domain in Godaddy with this step-by-step tutorial. Auto-renewal can sometimes catch us off guard, but this video will guide you through the simple process of managing your domain settings. Whether you're looking to cancel auto-renewal temporarily or permanently, I'll walk you through the Godaddy dashboard, showing you exactly where to find the settings and how to turn off auto-renewal, ensuring you have full control over your domain subscriptions. Stay in charge of your domains and avoid unexpected renewals by watching this easy-to-follow tutorial now. Go to My Products. Click on Manage. Then Domain. Click on Domain Settings. Then turn off Auto-renew. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.